play some Minecraft on my PlayStation 4.
This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the EAS local primary station for the Go Animate City area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this have been an actual emergency, such as a tornado warning, toxic material release, nuclear plant incident, or other state or local emergencies that affects your safety, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the Go Animate City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. All stations may now resume local programming.
What the emergency alert system just had to interrupt me in the middle of my in-game. That is just rude. That's it. I'm going to kill the man who is responsible.
Hammer bro, I don't know what the heck you are mad about, but you need to shut the up and stop whining like a... It really annoys me when you always complain about...
Dad, please. I don't have time for your jokes right now. I'm really angry right now.
Young man, why the heck are you doing here? And why do you have a gun in front of my face?
Oh, shut your pie hole and don't move a muscle, you piece of crap. This is what you get for ruining my game of Minecraft on my PlayStation 4. So I am going to kill you right now.
Now, since you are dead, you would have to keep making emergency alert system uses and ruin my games ever again. Enjoy being dead, you piece of crap.
Hammer bro, why did you kill the emergency alert system reported?
Because I was so mad just because he interrupted me in the middle of my Minecraft. That's why I had to kill him to death.
I really don't give a... No excuses, young man. You are grounded for 648 years. Go to your room right now, you butthole.
No.